Before we start this video off, I would like to ask you guys a favor. All you have to do is just press the subscribe button, because right now only 14.2% of you guys are subscribed. So yeah, please consider subscribing, and that's all I'm going to ask for. Also, make sure you guys tell me what I should do next in the comments. Hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are going to be unboxing the Sky Rover Knightforce RC helicopter. And this helicopter has a turbo speed boost, gyro balanced engine, and 6-way gyro control. And it works inside and outside. It has a battery of 7 minutes, and it comes with a fastener for like the blades if you lose any. Comes with a extra tail blade. It comes with extra main blades, which are these things that you see here. And it also comes with a remote, a charger, and obviously the helicopter and the instructions. It also has light effects. I've actually had this helicopter one time, and I flew it in my 4th of July video, so yeah, you guys should probably check that out. But this one was given to me by a friend. His name is Gavin, and he also has a YouTube channel, and I will leave the link to it in the description. And so yeah, this was given to me by Gavin, so yeah, thanks for that. And yeah, it's good to have one of these again. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to unboxing. So we're gonna open the side of the box here. We're gonna take out this, which holds the helicopter and all of the other stuff. If you look in here, then you'll see the remote. We're gonna set the box to the side, and obviously it comes with the instructions. Yeah, this thing is simple to put together and fly, so won't be needing those. Also on the bottom, we've got our charger, our spare propeller blades, and all that other fun stuff. So yeah, let's get it out of the box. Alright, so here we got our helicopter, and right here we got our remote. It's incredibly tiny, like palm it. And here we got our charger. And then right here we got our spare propellers, the big ones and the small one. And again, here we got our instructions. And then last but not least, the remote runs on 3 AA batteries, which are not included in the box, so I got some of my own. And nor is a screwdriver, which you will need to open the batteries. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys, so thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay in tune for part 2, because that's when we're going to be flying it, and that will happen pretty soon. Bye.